Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to get free trial of 7 days in Adobe Creative Cloud and also purchase its premium plan. So guys, Adobe Cloud give you 7-day free trial. So if you are comfortable that everything is working perfectly and the application is complete your needs, so then you can continue. Otherwise you cancel your subscription within the 7 days. So how you can do it? So guys, here you see that I am on the official website of Adobe. Now I'm simply click the option of free trial. Okay, after that guys, here you see that it asks me to that you are a student and the teacher and you are a business. So if you are selected as a student and the teacher, so it's cost you around 398, but we are individual. So select here and you select the per month plan, and here add you 7-day free trial also. So you simply add it. So add a 7-day free trial to Adobe Stock, get up to 10 standard assets and cancel risk free before your trial end, and you would not able to be charged. Pay 2394 per month including GST. So simply click the option of continue. After that it asks you to add the payment details. So if you are a credit card user, so you are just use credit card and debit card, but we have the payment method of UPI in India, so I'm using the UPI. So here I'm select my state, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, now this is my country, GST, and start my free trial. Now I make the payment of 2 rupees to activate my auto pay. So just scan it and it start loading my auto pay, and you just continue and set up auto pay, then add my pin and my auto page setup. Okay, so you just wait a second. Now it payment is successfully and my order is placed. Okay, here you see that order is placing. So this is a simple way that you can purchase. And guys, if you want to cancel the subscription, so guys, go to your auto payment where you can end your trial anywhere, anytime. Okay, so guys, here you see that they mention you will be charged at 3593 on the 8th August. Okay, so make sure that you can check it. So get started. Now guys, here you see that my Adobe Photo State is now activate. Here is my Premiere, InDesign, Illustrator, and everything is go here. So I'm just downloading the app and use it. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.